This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, February 12th, 2015. And now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. At noon today, the northwesterly flow is coming. That means it's going to be cold, and it's going to be cold for quite some time by looking at this model. We'll have a system moving off to our east that'll be taking a little bit of snowfall across the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, off toward the east. New England's going to get some more snow once again. Around here, highs are going to be struggling to get into the lower to middle teens. Northeastern and northern Iowa may only see upper single digits. We warm up a bit as we move into Friday. We could see some upper teens northeast to maybe some lower and middle 30s south and west. But don't get used to that because there's a high pressure to our north, and that's going to be the second cold blast. And this one's going to be much worse than this one that's going to be happening today. It'll be coming through on Saturday with a couple of light snow showers or flurries, maybe a little bit of light accumulation. But lows by Sunday morning could be well below zero. In fact, teens below zero possible in the northeastern counties. During the day on Sunday, highs will struggle back into the single digits and teens. Clouds will be on the increase with this bit of the system to the north and west, producing a little bit of light snow that'll move in. But then it's this system to the south that we have to worry about here as we move into the new work week here. On Monday, you can see some rain breaking out across Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, some snow along the northern tier, may clip into the southern tier counties, but it's been waffling north and south, so we still have to watch this system closely. The system will move across the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley, could bring some snow and some icy conditions across Arkansas and northeastward along the Ohio River Valley, and then it moves into the northeast as if they need anything snow related up there. And then another batch of cold air. This would be cold blast number 3 as we move in toward the middle of the week. And you can see even by next Thursday, watch the flow, ridge over Alaska and the Yukon, and a northerly flow from the North Pole straight across and then down into the Midwest and Great Lakes. That means it's still going to stay cold around here. Another clipper system may come through with a little bit of light snow at that point. But temperatures for at least this coming week are going to stay at, well, in fact, they're going to stay way below average for the middle part of February. Even looking further ahead, on the 23rd of February, you can still see a trough digging in across at this point, across the western part of the country. It's starting to dig in across the Intermountain West. And this is with a system that's going to bring some snow out in the Rockies, the Wasatch in Utah. Could even extend into our part of the country as well. Still have plenty of time to watch it, and plenty of time for this to change. And then as we look toward the end of the forecast on the 27th, now we have a flow coming out of the Pacific. However, at the surface, there's still going to be a lot of cold air around. Cold air doesn't retreat very quickly. And as you can see at the surface, still a lot of cold air around. Not bitterly cold. It's still going to be below average, but it's not going to be the bone-chilling sub-zero cold, at least at this point. But we still have plenty of time to watch that and plenty of time for that to change as well. Satellite image from last evening. The next system is to our north and west. That's going to bring the next batch of cold air in. A couple of low and mid-level clouds off to our east. Big storms or big clouds moving into the north and west. I'll get it out. The watch warning map from last evening. Some wind chill advisories across the northern Midwest, the Great Lakes, a wind chill watch in New York and northern Pennsylvania, some winter weather issues in West Virginia, some fog in central California, quiet elsewhere. The QPF chart, it doesn't look very quiet. This is precipitation through the next 5 days. Through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some precipitation around here. That's probably with that system early next week. Heaviest over the northwest and northeast.